Today, we're embracing our inner stunt pilot and taking to the skies with our new super fun drone from ATTOP. This is the A8 drone, and it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find a bag containing your drone and controller batteries, a charging cable, as well as tools and spare props. Then you have a bag containing your bumper guards and legs, a phone clampy, your controller, and of course, your A8 drone. Just look at this thing. It looks like a stunt drone that can do some serious maneuvers. To get started, give your drone battery a charge, and then put your provided batteries into your controller. Make sure your phone clamp is secure and slide in your phone. Connect your drone battery to the drone and seal up the battery door, and then snap on your drone's legs. Now you can use the bumper guards, but I'm not you. I'm a pro. It's time to fly.
So it looks like that Mike is over here giving some flying lessons.
Flight school with Mike.
So pair your controller to the drone, and it's time to take off. The drone takes to the skies with no problem. The self-stabilization is pretty good, and it hovers well. The controller's responsive and allows the drone to do what you need it to. I've flown several professional drones, and this reminds me of their controls. Except this drone is wild. It reminds me of those ESPN racing drones. You could zip around, do fast turns, and my favorite feature, you can do flips. Push the flip button and then push the joystick in the direction you want to flip, and it executes it perfectly every time. The controller also has a speed toggle. You can crank this up to expert mode and really feel like an ESPN drone racer. You could take this thing to new heights. Do quick flybys and do those show-stopping flips whenever you want. Now this is obviously a budget-friendly drone. If you want a drone with a camera, get one with a gimbal on the bottom that'll stabilize and allow you to view where you want. This drone isn't for photography, it's for fun. But you can download the app and view through the camera. It's kinda cool if you've never used a professional video drone before. But I would never use this or any beginner drone for video. Professional drones designed for video are designed to fly smooth, with little bumps or shakes. So if you want a drone that can deliver the best video, I promise you it's not going to do flips. That being said, you'll be having so much fun flying this around that you won't even care about the camera. Now, if you are someone who's interested in professional drone photography, this drone is still worth it. It gives you similar controls and allows you to practice without worry. You can get a hang of flying and practice some more risky maneuvers. I've broken expensive drones before, and it's devastating.
What do I do? Nope.
But if I crashed and broke this doing something risky, I'd chalk it up to a fun day and lesson learned. However, this drone is really responsive. I've crashed most beginner drones, and when it comes time to land, I just land where I can land. With this drone, I was able to bring it right back to the start and land it perfectly on the launch pad. And I've landed it perfectly every time. With the exception of one close call. I was trying to get an artsy shot, and it got a little too close for comfort. But look at those cat-like reflexes. It didn't touch me, but it got so close. So needless to say, I've been having a ton of fun with this drone. This is the first beginner drone that I've just loved. I can get past the video quality because it's just so fun to fly. So if you're looking to get into professional drone video, or just want something fun to fly around, then this drone from ATTOP might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna do my best to avoid getting hit in the head with the drone. That was such a close call. See ya.